wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 8 best crash pads for kids. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8. The Z Athletic Open Cell can stand up to repeated use day after day and features hook and loop connections for securing multiple units together. It comes in blue, pink or purple to match any climbing gym or gymnastics school. It's got a puncture-resistant exterior and comes in at a budget-friendly price. However, it's not dense enough for heavier kids. At number 7, give yourself peace of mind by investing in the ultra-dense 5-inch Mad Rock Mad Pad. It's thoughtfully designed with Velcro sides, so multiple units can be joined together for a larger landing area. The downside is that the Velcro can start to fall off over time. It maintains its firmness well and can convert into a lounge chair, but it is harder than most other models. Coming in at number 6 on our list. The WeCell Mats Bifolding comes in 2 thickness levels to suit different needs. It is rather expensive, but being well made and very large at 4 by 8 feet, it doesn't seem overpriced. It's ideal for gymnastic activities that require a big landing area. This one can be used with either side up and is durable enough for older kids. However, the side handles are hard to grip. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Crash Pads for Kids, or simply click beneath this video. At number 5, the petzl Alto has a one-piece design with 3 layers of dense foam that results in a cushioned surface with no weak spots. Its convenient folding system makes for simple portability via the adjustable shoulder, waist and chest straps. It's completely waterproof and the corners are well protected. The carrying straps can be tucked away. At number 4, the metolius Session is an economical model that's perfect for beginning climbers. It's lightweight enough to move around from boulder to boulder with ease, and there's an elastic band that keeps it securely closed during transport. It sports a cool and prominently displayed logo and includes an integrated flap to hold gear and hinges that are guaranteed for life. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Trak Junior is stuffed with a tough yet forgiving foam that safely cushions landings. Its coated vinyl exterior is easy to sanitize, making it a smart choice for use in commercial facilities that have a lot of kids training and playing every day. A non-skid bottom keeps it in place and is equipped with Velcro for attaching to other mats. It's available in purple or blue. At number 2, with its sturdy construction and range of available sizes, the Skil Jumbo is a winner for kiddos of all ages. It's much safer and less expensive than a trampoline, while providing children with the ability to jump around and burn off some energy. It's also great as a comfy resting spot and accommodates multiple kids at once. It's made from strong ripstop nylon. And coming in at number 1 on our list, eco-conscious consumers will appreciate the ultra-tough and well-designed Mad Rock R3. It provides an effective landing surface that lessens the impact from any falls, thanks to the recycled EVA PU foam. Plus it stays nice and flat when in use. It's able to contain gear when folded up and comes with backpack-style carrying straps and a nylon exterior that's easy to wipe clean. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Crash Pads for Kids, or simply click beneath this video.